Jerome Powell is under pressure at the Jackson Hole Symposium this week. After the last Fed meeting at the end of July, the Fed was perceived to have taken a dovish pivot, and that has allowed the Nasdaq to move gradually higher. However, if Jerome Powell this week reaffirms a commitment to bring inflation down despite slowing growth metrics, that can bring tech stocks sharply lower. So will Powell send a corrective message to markets and sink the tech-dominated Nasdaq? If you look at the Nasdaq, from a seasonal perspective, it has a weaker period during this time, and that period could assist any falls. Over the last 22 years, between the end of August and the start of October, the Nasdaq has fallen a total of 12 times with an annualized return of minus 20.66%. The maximum loss has been 23.24% in 2001. So will the Nasdaq fall lower out of the Jackson Hole Symposium this week on a more hawkish stance taken by Jerome Powell? Major trade risks. The major risk, of course, is that Jerome Powell signals a more dovish approach from the Federal Reserve, which could allow Nasdaq gains to continue. Analyse these charts for yourself by going to seasonax.com and get a no strings attached 3-day free trial. Which currency pair, commodity, index or stock would you most like to investigate for a seasonal pattern? Remember, don't just trade it, season exit.